Giving the little baby chickens some fresh veggies. They absolutely love it when Grandma sends them treats.
We moved the little chickens onto some fresh grass, so they should be much happier. I'll have to move this box every so often, because they were living in this and they destroyed it and it's gross and I wouldn't want to live in that. So I don't want them to live in that. And they really seem to like the grass for now. And Omi hates everything about it. Alright, my new plan is to take this house off of this box and rebuild the whole thing because it's falling apart at the corners. I don't know if you guys can see that over there, but the corners are coming apart. I'm going to take it apart and rebuild it more like this one, so we can move it around the yard easier, and put Cockface in there to get him out from the hens so we can start mingling the pullets out of here and with the egg laying flock, start getting everybody all separated out. So I got this box rebuilt like I said I was going to, except I built it differently so my lid doesn't stretch all the way across. I'm not sure what I'm going to do yet. These little chickens over here seem much happier now that they're getting moved onto fresh grass every day. I hope they're really happier and I'm not just projecting human emotion onto them. They are just dumb birds and all. Well, it's trying to rain, so I better take the camera inside. Alright, it's the next day. The rain slowed me down. It's also gonna affect the upload schedule this week. Sorry about that. You'll get a video when I get it done. But this is what we did. The wire was running this way. We had to take it off and spin it around. And now everything fits right. And when my wife gets home, we'll move him and put him in there. And then start getting the, I don't know, not quite grown up chickens put in here so that Cockface doesn't kill them. That's the main reason we got to wait on it, to get him out, because he's an asshole, really. And hopefully the hens will be nice to the littler chickens and everybody will get along there. And then we'll have the little chickens box empty. That one right there, to put the baby chickens in here pretty quick as soon as they're ready.
Back here, you fucker.
Alright, my wife's home. She's much better at catching the rooster than I am, so watch this. Well, I thought she was better at it.
Either way, I caught a cock.
There you go, baby.
so bad. Not totally traumatizing.
Alright. It's a cockface in a box.
That's a cock in a box.
One more step done. Alright, I put one of the small chickens in there just to see how everybody'd get along. So that one right there. And they're picking on him. Trying to figure out their pecking order. But it's not too bad. I don't think they're out to kill him or anything. Hopefully they get along good enough tonight, and hopefully he uses the coop and lives through the night. Like I say, they're picking on him, but it's not too bad. I don't think. But I wanted to test it with one chicken instead of 12 chickens. Hopefully it works out. Well, Cockface over here is unhappy about the whole procedure. Ain't you, Cockface? Okay, say bye, Cockface.